Hello there, my name is Bill Tomlinson. I'm a professor at UC Irvine. I'm here in a park next to UCI's Nature Preserve. Welcome to this course, ICS5, Global Disruption in Information Technology. On behalf of the rest of the teaching staff, I'd like to thank you all for joining our class. The purpose of this course is to understand the complex set of issues that are currently disrupting life on Earth, and the role that information technology plays in this domain. This video summarizes the core issues we'll be talking about in this course and how they all fit together. The first key point I'd like to make is that there are profound changes currently happening to the ecosystems of the world. The climate is changing, sea levels are rising, forests are being destroyed, and the biodiversity of many areas is falling and thousands of species are going extinct. These changes are creating suffering for hundreds of millions of people, as well as countless other living things. For example, sea level rise is causing millions of people around the world to become environmental migrants, with various sources, including the World Bank and the United Nations, projecting that there could be 216 million to over 1 billion environmental migrants by 2050. These effects are typically felt most dramatically by the poorest people of the world. In addition to harming human well-being, climate change and other forms of environmental degradation are harming animals as well. 3 billion animals were killed or displaced by the Australian wildfires in 2019-2020, and 1 billion sea creatures died in the 2021 British Columbia heatwave. Human behavior is a key cause of these issues. The burning of fossil fuels in human transportation systems and in the production of other goods and services for human use produces greenhouse gas emissions, which are a major contributor to climate change. Similarly, industrial agriculture, through which humans grow our food, is a major cause of environmental degradation as well. But there are efforts to push back against these issues. The shared goal of working to prevent and reverse global change and the harmful effects on both humans and non-human species, and to develop new ways of living that are viable for a long-term future, is called sustainability. It is unclear at present if human civilizations will be able to achieve sustainability before environmental degradation makes large parts of our world unlivable. When human societies harm their ecosystems too dramatically, as has happened in various contexts across history, environmental degradation sometimes causes the collapse of those societies. While this has never before happened at a global scale, many people are concerned that global collapse could unfold in the coming decades. Information technology plays a complex role in the sustainability domain. Across human history, technology has played an important role in shaping how people interact with the ecosystems we live in. And information technology in particular is profoundly shaping the ways people live in the world at present. Information technology amplifies the effectiveness of human behavior, and as such is a powerful enabler of nearly everything that goes on in industrial civilization, from transportation to agriculture to manufacturing. As such, it is heavily implicated in the current state of things, having enabled industrial civilization to transform the world's ecosystems ever more quickly. On the other hand, IT tools have allowed scientists to understand that these issues even exist, since they are hard to perceive at the timescales across which human lives typically unfold. And if we have any chance of reining in these issues before they cause even more problems than they are currently already doing, efforts at sustainability will need to be enabled by cutting-edge information technologies. So IT has a powerful and ambivalent relationship with sustainability. I feel that the relationship between sustainability and technology is captured well by this quote from a National Academy's report from 2012. Quote, "Despite the profound technical challenges involved, sustainability is not, at its root, a technical problem, nor will merely technical solutions be sufficient. Instead, deep economic, political, and cultural adjustments will ultimately be required, along with a major long-term commitment in each sphere to deploy the requisite technical solutions at scale. In essence, human civilizations need to change how we do things, and IT will back us up in those efforts. We need new ways of living, new forms of infrastructure, and new ways of organizing our civilizations. That's part of the goal of this course, to help you think about these issues and possible ways to approach them, and help you become world leaders able to help resolve them in the coming decades. So these are the broad themes we'll be talking about in this course. The ways that environmental degradation is disrupting the world, the ways people cause these changes, the ways people and non-human species are affected by them, and the roles IT plays in these issues. Thank you for being part of this course. I look forward to exploring these topics with you in the coming weeks.